Hi friends, welcome to today's asana breakdown. We will be going over the foundational requirements of Eka Pada Bakasana, otherwise known as flying crow. Now to begin, please make sure that your body is nice and warmed up, particularly your wrists. We will always want to begin arm balances with a really nice warm up with the wrists. So when you're ready, we're going to go over two entryways into Eka Pada Bakasana, but the same foundational requirement for Eka Pada Bakasana translates into all the other arm balances. We want to focus on that rounding of the upper thoracic spine, that shoulder protraction, as well as pushing the ground away as we balance our legs up onto our triceps. So we're going to meet in Bakasana. So bring your knees up high onto the tricep, find your crow pose. Keep pushing your heels onto your glutes, and whenever you're ready, extend the left leg behind you. Point out through the left leg and slowly lower down. You want to train both sides for balance, so go ahead and get started onto your second side. And remember to, especially when the leg reaches towards the back of the mat, even when the arm is without that weight, you still want to focus on equally distributing the weight between your hands. So take an inhale and find your crow. Stay active in the legs, separate the shoulder blades from one another, then float the right leg behind you. And then slowly lower down. Keep your gaze forward and in front of you. The same foundational requirements from Bakasana translate into Eka Pada Bakasana. We'll go through another way as to enter this pose. And find our downward facing dog. So this can be a shortened downward facing dog to help you feel more comfortable. Inhale to reach your right leg towards the sky. Bend that right leg, and you're gonna take this right knee up high on the right tricep. Lean your weight forward. Float the left leg up. Keep driving the right heel on to your right glute as the left foot reaches behind you. And then slowly come out of it, shake it out. Give a nice release to the wrists. And then we're gonna work on side two. Just try to be comfortable in shifting the weight from your lower body to your hands and allowing the leg to float up. From downward facing dog, lift the left leg up towards the sky. Bend that left leg. Bring the left knee up high to left tricep. Lean forward. Keep your gaze forward and down. Float the right foot up. Keep active in that right leg. Stabilize through the shoulders. Breathe. And then slowly lower down. I hope that this tutorial has helped you understand the mechanics of Eka Pada Bakasana. Just keep on going back into your foundations. Always remember to grip through the fingertips to prevent your body from falling forward. Keep your gaze past the top of the mat. And stay active in the legs. Even with that tucked leg, I want you to imagine that tucked heel is squeezing to the glutes as the floating leg is reaching towards the back of the mat as the crown of your head reaches forward. Creating that torque creates this lightness in the body that makes and improves our technique into arm balances. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to this page and drop a comment below if this has helped you in any way, shape, or form. Thank you for your practice.